Testing 1, 2, check test 1, 2. This is without a compressor, without a limit there on the OBS Studio. Just running dry. I think that this little cheap, no-name little mixing board is introducing some sort of a floor noise, which I can't seem to get rid of. However, before I turned off the compressor, it was probably set up not in the best way, because I think it was wheezing or breathing or doing both. So now, if I put on a denoise filter on Adobe Premiere, then it should be fine. But then that means I have to process that in Adobe Premiere. I have to process whatever material I record. Otherwise, it's going to have that floor noise, which could be annoying after a while. However, the frequency response of my voice through this podium mic, condenser mic, Shure, I forgot what the model number is. I can't see it. It's one of those podium tiny, or the 10 gooseneck microphones. It seems to be okay. It's just that floor noise that is happening there. But that can be taken care of. But I wonder if it's because I hear some of that in the headphones in my preview monitor. I'm gonna have to get some better mixing board, I suppose. Quieter. Yeah. What's that? Well, the noise level sits something around minus 20 dB. Which is a lot. Okay, let's see. Let's hear it back. Providence, check. And if I scream, I should go into red. Check. I went into red just a little bit. Okay. Puh. Oh, that was big. Puh, puh, puh. If I go straight into the mic, there's a bit of a windscreen happening there. But check testing 1, 2. If I go a little bit further down, which should be the proper distance, about a volleyball distance, volleyball diameter distance. Like that one. Let's see. Let's hear it back.